as I was going to London Bridge. Not what you'd call an odds-on chance, but you and me and circumstance were thrown together in this thing we called a dance, and who knew that the great romance was waiting round the corner?